पैम्परिंग सेशन चल रहा है, क्या कुछ हो रहा है बताना चाहेंगे?
I'm in Blue Sky Nail Academy, तो of course मैं यहाँ पर अपने nails extensions के लिए आई हूँ, and this is something they have introduced new thing that I wasn't aware of. Glue nails. What do you call this?
Gum gel extensions.
Gum gel extensions and
Opposite, no glue nails. There.
Yeah,
It's-
and more than I like. मैं जो अब आपको बताऊंगी उससे better आप you see it. It's very unique and different. I've never seen it before.
So it's a surprise factor for Rashmi. when she
Yeah,
came
today
here.
I was very shocked and I was happy also, and I'm very मैं थोड़ी सी cranky हो जाती हूँ when my nails and my legs, my feet has to be very beautiful and good. I have this thing since my childhood. I have this problem, so I was very particular when I
That's
came.
not a problem. That's the amazing part of women. Everybody
Yeah.
have to take care of their
Their
nails.
hands and their feet has to look very beautiful.
Yes.
And it has to be clean.
And they have to be kissed.
मतलब रश्मि देसाई की सुंदर फेस के जैसे नेल्स बनाओ.
Okay.
What do you like to say? Like Rashmi ma'am आज आई हैं.
Yes, I'm very happy. Vindu was excited also, and I'm meeting Rashmi for the first time, and she's amazing, bubbly, very cute, very lively person, and I'm very happy to see her and have her in our academy. Thank you for coming.
She's called ऐसी लड़की सुंदर वाली, sweet वाली, ऐसी
Sweet
लड़की.
wali, strong, solid.
But you know, when you are, you have so many followers, right, on Instagram, and when you see pictures and when you see reels and videos, everybody, it's like, you know, it's a different person altogether. When you meet in the real life, it's a different person. But Rashmi, I didn't see your account. I just saw how many followers you have because Vindu was talking so much about you. Because he knows you, but I met first time, and I can say about Rashmi that she is better in real life than you know in Instagram. Because in Instagram, everybody wants something special.
Yeah. But I like to keep it natural, and I think
Yeah.
that's how people. That's why people like to connect with other people. Beauty is always there. People always want to see the beautiful side and
Inside, yeah.
positivity and all, but they come with some imperfection and flaws, and I think that's the beauty. And I met her for the first time. She's so gorgeous.
So first but not last.
Yeah, but not last.
Okay, lastly Rashmi ma'am, Veena Big Boss जीत चुकी हैं. Any wishes you want to give to her?
I've already given it to her, and she's a wonderful human. And of course, we both are very colors faced, so I knew her from before. Rahul is also a dear friend. Not that show एक अलग life होती है, but otherwise I don't like to differentiate my and talk about my friends like that. क्योंकि एक show define नहीं करता है मेरी friendship and my relationship. So I think they all are beautiful and very good. Even for that matter, I never met Ali, but Ali is beautiful soul. Just want to say that. Top 5 में आना, they all are winner. Indeed, they deserve to be in top 2 and the one who gets the trophy. But journey was definitely not easy for all of them.
Such a long journey as well.
Yeah, very difficult. So घर के अंदर एक अलग दुनिया होती है जो बिग बॉस ने बनाई होती है. So yeah, जो वहाँ रह के आता है ना वो समझ लो दुनिया जीत जाता है.
Hello.
I know, see, one of the winner is here.
मैं हूँ ना. रश्मि तू भी तो थी. She was also in there in the last day till the top 5. So she was there, and these guys were there. It was wonderful.
No, but some people saying like I'm not watching Big Boss. I have one at home, so that's enough for me. But I'm not watching it on TV. But people ask me because they know we are. I'm Vindu's wife. They saying so it's scripted, ma'am. No, it's scripted. I said,
we
well,
all ask.
she said it's never scripted. So would they just create different situations for you, right? To just play with your characters, with your personalities, and then the best may win, right? But it's not scripted. That's how it is. That's how humans.
But as honestly, I feel Big Boss is a wonderful experience that I think hardly few people get a chance to be part of it. अंदर जाने से भी डर लगता है, बाहर आते वक्त आप बहुत अलग इंसान होके आते हो. So I just want to say that the show is amazing. It's beautiful. It teaches you on each and every step of yours, and जो टास्क होता है ना उसमें सब कहते हैं अच्छा व्यक्तित्व बाहर आता है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट व्यक्तित्व, इट्स अबाउट द चॉइसेस यू मेक. समटाइम्स यू आर रॉन्ग, समटाइम्स यू आर राइट, बट यू हैव टू लिव विद इट beautifully. So the show is very beautiful, and the viewer who are watching, I'm sure they are also learning something out from it, because difficult situation mein then when you have hardly 5
How you
seconds and you have
react,
to decide, it's indeed very difficult. So yeah.
Okay, lastly, fans से कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? What are your future plan? What are your upcoming projects?
My upcoming projects, I was just talking. But I'd only like to talk when I start shooting for it, and it will start, I think so, mid-May या June के आसपास शुरू हो जाएगा. But I'll only talk about it once I start shooting for it and on floor. And otherwise इससे पहले नहीं बोलती हूँ. मुझे लगता है jinx लगता है.
Okay.
Going on project is the beautiful nail extensions right now.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you so much.
Belgum nails है और यहाँ nails extensions हो रहे हैं.
और ये पावड़ी क्या कैसे राहुल कैसे कर रहा था कल?
ये क्या? I don't know, what was it?
पावड़ी
पावड़ी. It's पावड़ी.
पावड़ी चल रही है अभी अभी राहुल से बात
कार
की.
है, ये मेरा लोग है और यहाँ पावड़ी कर रही है.
पावड़ी चल रही है. राहुल मेरे से जीत गया है बहुत सारी बोतलें.
Oh yeah.
Amazing. हाँ.